Hello friends, so today's tutorial we will understand how to create floor plan. Okay, this one when you will see layout 2, so this is the floor plan, the section is check. So now here this is the floor plan. Actually this is here, there is a section and floor plan also is here. So I put this floor plan separately here, or also I can do one thing that I have in my desktop. This is floor plan. Okay, so that one we need to create. Okay, so what is the procedure, how to, in the simplest way, how can we build this architectural planning in AutoCAD. Okay, so now I have this workspace, but this is 3D workspace, so you can see here the 3D modeling tools is here. Okay, now I have to convert in drafting and rotation. Okay, so here what I will do, when you will go here, you can take here show menu bar. Okay, so the draw bar, tools, dimension, this menu bar will appear here. So now I'm taking XL. Okay, construction line, which you can take from here also. Okay, but the shortcut is XL. And when you use construction line, you should on the ortho F8. Okay, or you can on from here also ortho.
Construction line from the modified.
From the draw.
Draw.
Okay, so now I made one construction line here, vertical, and one construction line horizontal. So you have to click here and here. Okay, so again see, I'm doing XL. Okay, then when you will now you are in the command of construction line. Now if you click upside, so it will execute. See, if you will click this side, it will execute.
Okay.
So the two line I taken for as a reference. Okay.
So this is only construction line.
Okay. This is only construction line. Why I choose construction line? Because I need any corner reference. So this corner I made. Yeah. You see, this corner I made means I have this line and this line. Okay. Now I need offset from here. Suppose I'm just taking 200. Okay. So go to the O enter for offset, or you can go to the modify. Here is offset. Okay, so when you are in offset, choose 200. Okay, and this line I have, and also this one. So you see, this line and this line I make. If you want, you can trim this one.
How to trim?
TR double enter. Okay, TR enter. TR enter you use, then this is trim.
Okay.
Got it?
So trim is TR.
Or from here you can take trim.
Modify trim.
Got it? So now this corner I got. So now from here my size is 4.5, and as we know that 1 meter is equal to 1000 mm, and we are working in mm. So from here to here 4500 mm we need. Okay, so offset 4500 from here to here. Okay, again this line I need, I'm taking 200, but it should be, external should be 200 and internal should
First
be 150.
you type the
offset O enter. See,
then you will take the
O enter. Okay, then 4500.
Okay.
Then this line, from this line I need 4500. So I'm clicking this side.
Okay.
Then again offset, I'm taking 150 of this line offset. Okay, so now this room's size I got this. You see this one, but now I need this size. So offset, only offset trim you have to do here to click to make complete architectural plan. Now 3500 from here to here, 3500. Okay, so click on this and click on this. Again, if you will see offset, okay, 3500 and Now offset again 150 for this line. Now you see I have this complete one. Got it? Now I need this one, this area, bedroom 2.6, 3.3, then nearby store. Okay, first need bedroom. So bedroom is 3.3, means the maximum size is this one, 3.3, and the shortest size is 2.6. Okay, so 3.3 means 330, 300. Okay, offset 3300. And select this one here. Okay, offset 150 and select this one here. Got it? So now the shortest, this size, control Z, because this is need to 2600, 33. Okay, 33 is okay. I'm doing control Z means back and control Y for forward. Okay,
Control X what?
control Z for backward, undo.
Backward.
Undo.
Or undo.
Or control Y for redo or forward.
Undo. What is that? Control
Y.
Control Y.
So now I'm doing this size.
And for the redo,
What L for?
control
Z for
Control Z
for undo.
Control Y,
Y
for
for
redo.
redo. Okay. Now from here I need here 2600. Offset 2600. This one. Okay. Offset 150. Okay. Trim this portion. Okay. And this also we know it here. So you see this size and this here. This one and this one. Okay. Now I need this small portion, 1.3 by 1 meter. So 1 meter is this shortest and 1.3 is this longest. So offset 1 meter is 1000 mm. This one. Okay. And this 1.3 is remaining here. So need to extend. EX double enter.
EX
Double enter. Or single enter also. EX. You can use EX enter. Okay, if it will not work, so EX double enter. Okay,
EX enter or
offset
EX double enter. So what is mean by this?
To extend the line. Suppose you want to extend this line up to here. Okay, so use EX, so your line will extend. You got it? Suppose my line is not here. I want this line up to here. So what I will do? I will select and stretch this line, or I can make new line. Okay, but we have shortcut is EX extend command. So directly if you will click, it will automatically will extend up to there. Okay, offset, select this line 150 outside. Okay, trim, no need, this is up to here, no need this one also. Okay, and when you are using means extend command or trim command, suppose you are using trim command, so press shift. Okay, when you will press shift and if you will click on the line, it becomes extend. Got it? Means if you are in the trim command, TR enter. Okay, if you will press shift and when you will click on the line, so it becomes extend. Okay, if you are in extend command or if you will press shift, it become trim. Okay, vice versa. The both command are vice versa to each other. Now trim this. Now this we met. This also we did. Okay. Now we are here. We have to create this one. Okay. So this here is, you can see this is the one, this dimension, one the length and one is width. Okay. So from here to here I check how much. From inside to this corner is I have 4650. Okay, so little bit is difference because in this I don't know what is the size of the wall, but I taken 150, so this 1.5 this size. Okay, so this is 1.5 up to here. Okay, I'm trimming this. I don't need this is I need, and also this line I don't need. Okay, only this line up to here I need. From here to here I need to calculate this one. Okay, so from here to here I will check by I have planned my plan, so no problem. I'm taking here 3.7 offset 3700. Okay, and this one here. Trim this line I know it. Trim this line. Offset 150 or 200. Offset 200 because this is external. Trim. Okay. Now I need this space from here to here. 3850.
So you total this one to this one. So
I add this one for 4500 and 3700.
but
So I got this one.
yeah, but
How I did? I made one
this
offset
is the
from
width, right?
1 minute. I made one 4500 offset from here to here. Okay.
No, but this one is with this, na? No.
Which one? No, this one is this and this one is this. Okay, so now I'm offset it 3850. Okay, this line. Got it? Now I made this 200 offset. I'm doing okay. So now I got this one also. You see? Okay, this I know need. I trim whatever I know need. I will trim it. Okay, if I need I will keep that on the screen. Okay, now this portion I made complete this side, if you will see. Okay, now this portion I need to create. Here actually I don't know the size of this one. Okay, so I am just assuming it's simplest one because I know the size. So with the eyes scale I can check. Okay, so I am taking it little bit from here like this 500 or 600. Okay, up to here and trim this. Okay, now this line I have. Now I have to move this one here. Is also I am assuming, you see this is up to here of this line, so I am taking a little bit up here. And I am moving this one here because there is no size, that's why. If there is a size I can, there is a kitchen. So kitchen size from here to here is 3.3100. Okay, and 300 is this one. 3000 is this one. Okay, so offset 3100, this one from here. Okay, so now from here I take an offset of 3100. Okay, now when I'll see this one, okay, this is a 3100. Now 3000 I need to take from here. Okay, but this line I do not have here. Okay, so what I can do, this is finishing, completing up to here, like little bit with this line. If you will see with this line, so it's going little bit here. Okay, so I'm taking up to here. Okay, and I'm also taking this line little bit here. This one also need to select this one. Okay, and when you will select, and if you want to deselect this line, so shift and again select, it becomes deselect. Okay, and stretch is here little bit. Why I stretch it? Because you see this line is, if you will make one line here alignment, so this is going down like here. Got it? Select this one and put it down up to here. Trim these lines, no need. Got it? And stretch this line as enter. If you want to make it back, do it back. No need. Take this line, move and put here. Okay, and move this one also up to here. I'm using only line command. Offset 150.
What is the
This
shortcut
side.
for the move?
M enter.
M.
Okay, and offset 150. This one here. Okay, stretch little bit this center like here. L, and now you will see I have this line, means this line. So from here this outer face is in alignment, so I'm making offset of 150, this one. Okay, and this one I'm directly connecting here somewhere. Okay, offset of 150, this one here. Okay, and now I need to offset from here is 3000. Extend, extend, offset 150. Extend this line.
What is that again to extend the line?
Extend EX.
Enter. X enter.
So now these lines I no need, so I'm trimming this one. Okay, and trim this one also. Offset 150. So that kitchen also ready. And if you want to connect this line and this line, so F for fillet and connect this line like this. Okay, so the kitchen also is almost ready. So the shape of kitchen is ready here. Now I need to create this bedroom, but for the bedroom I need to understand what is the size of this. The door size almost like 1 meter. Okay, and you can see here 200 here and 200 is a block size, standard size. So is 1400. So offset 1400 this side. Okay, the bedroom here. Okay, so the bedroom size should be, longer size is 3800 and shorter is 3300. So offset 3800. So it should be like here. Okay, and these lines I no need, so I'm trimming it. Got it? But before that I need to make, I'm deleting this offset of 150, this wall. Okay, now offset of 3800 from here. Again offset 200, this line here. Okay, now these lines I need to connect up to here, extend. Okay, and you have here project, no problem, you directly select these lines up to here. Okay, it's called extend, and trim these, we no need. These line I made up to here. Okay, now from here I need here 3300, offset 3300 and offset 150. Sorry, offset 150, extend. So this room also ready. This wall we no need here, not here, okay, not here, not here, only we need up to here. So the shape is almost come, only these two need to create. So now I'm just doing this wall to here, and this wall also connect this wall, extend and extend, trim and trim. This wall also I create, this bathroom. So the size is, the maximum size is 2200 from here to here, and now 1900 offset 1900. Okay, something is, I don't know, something is, so I will check detail. Okay, now I'm just only just explaining how to create the plan, so that's why I'm just offset 150. And this bathroom is 2400, offset 2400 and 150. Okay, so I'm just doing extend, means almost I'm near to my plan. Trim this, you can see everything I made here. This one room, this is master bedroom, this is bedroom, this is whole and living and dining area. Okay, this is store. Okay, and this is space here, and this kitchen here. Now detailing we can do, means trim and everything, but the layout plan we can make by this method, offset trim, offset trim, offset trim. I hope you understand. I hope you understand. If you not understand, see again and again these videos, then you can understand easily. Or if you want new things in AutoCAD, so keep watching my videos and subscribe my channel also, so you will understand better. Okay. Okay, bye.